Good evening, everyone. I thought I'd put out a quick, short, 5 minutes or so video. Um, it seems to me that the market is heading for turmoil, certainly for some rough, stormy weather. Yet on YouTube, I see the usual. The headlines are XRP this, XRP that, bullish, bullish, bullish. I'm very bullish. I keep being told we're in a bull market. This is a bull year. But right now, I see the markets are down. So, what do I know? But I thought if no one else is going to talk about what is happening, what I see happening is markets are down. And basically, they've been down since I put my first video out on Monday when everything was going very well and very bullish. And then overnight, everything crashed. And it started coming back up a bit and then it's going back down. And now I'm a person who does research. Analysts, by and large, are all saying get ready for a major correction as regards Bitcoin. Okay, so let's have a quick. And the thing with it is the market cap for the whole cryptocurrency is 1.5 trillion, and a trillion of that is Bitcoin. So what happens to Bitcoin if Bitcoin sneezes? All the other currencies, all 6,000 of them, catch a cold. So the significance that what is being predicted by loads of analysts is get ready for a major Bitcoin correction within the next few days. And these analysts are talking between sort of 35 to 40,000 to drop down that low. I hope they're wrong, but I think I should make you aware. Very few, I think there's one person I've seen talking about it. Everyone else is bullish, bullish, bullish. XRP this, XRP that. I'll repeat, I'm an XRP holder. I'm going to hold on to it. I believe it will be the next Bitcoin in time. It'll be used all over the world. But my goodness, I see the price going down. So bullish, bullish, bullish. There's something going over my head, everyone. I'm not seeing bullish, I'm seeing downturn. So just have a look at a couple of things, just a few minutes for me to call it as I see it. So let's start with the daily hodl, just one or two pieces. Crypto analyst Michael van der Pop places traders on notice, forecast path ahead for Bitcoin and altcoin markets. This is today, the daily hodl. And the path he is talking about is a downward one. Okay. Cryptocurrency analyst Michael van der Pop is telling traders to be cautious, warning Bitcoin's price is still vulnerable to downward pressure. And it's you can go there yourself. This is daily hodl. And down the bottom here, let's bring it up. Van der Pop says Bitcoin is currently facing a clear zone of resistance between the 50,000 to 52,000 level, causing some buyers to rush in, struck by the fear of missing out, what we call FOMO. There are some points of resistance it's facing. The first one right now, which is this entire block, and currently some people probably already think that it's over with the correction and are FOMOing in back into the markets. Despite Bitcoin's vulnerability in the short term, the analyst adds there's no need to panic even if Bitcoin's price falls below 35,000. Did you hear that? So don't panic even if it falls below 35,000. Well, if Bitcoin drops that much, be prepared for the rest of the market to follow suit. Okay? And analyst after analyst is saying, some are saying 99% certainty. Okay? How about that? The same paper. Confusion over billion-dollar whale transfer may have triggered the crypto crash, according to on-chain analyst Willy Woo. And they're saying that a whale is somebody who dumps a lot of coins on the market. You can see a graphic picture of a whale tail there. And again, all of this is adding to the malaise, the fear over the market going down, why the market has gone down, and Bitcoin in particular. And again, here they are talking about Bitcoin going down, expect the worst. And they're talking of 35,000. So here we go. Although the Bitcoin price has taken a dive of late, Wu says his proprietary data on Bitcoin's fundamentals and price action suggests the top cryptocurrency remains in a strong bull trend with a hard floor in the 35,000 region. Okay, so I'm not a bringer of doom, but I am a bringer of awareness. The market, as I see it, is in a downward trend, and I was hoping that it will be picking up any minute now. Senior analysts are saying be prepared for a major drop, Bitcoin to go down to 35 to 40,000. Let's see what happens. Comments below. This is just an awareness thing. Again, as I said, the trend everywhere is XRP, XRP, bullish this, bullish that. And to me at the moment, the market is anything but bullish. Your comments, please. If you like this, do leave a like. If you want to subscribe, fine. But if you can leave a like, it will help help my channel get promoted by YouTube. Thank you.